There are hundreds, if not thousands, of videos and recipes online about how to make the perfect Thanksgiving Day turkey. Now granted, I'm going to do my version, my preference, my method that I'd love to teach you in a separate video. But before we ever get to method, we got to talk about ingredients. And if you're not working with the two things we're doing in this video, and that's smoked butter and smoked salt, your product will ultimately be inferior. So let's learn how to make these simple ingredients in your home so that you can nail that Thanksgiving Day turkey. Let's get into it.
I'm choosing a 50-50 blend of cherry pellets on the left, hickory on the right to flavor our salt and butter. The easiest way to do this is get yourself a pellet maize or pellet tube. I'm going with the maize because it gives you 8 hours or more of smoking time. Fill the maize with those blended pellets, light the front of the maize, and remember, we're not turning on the grill or smoker. This is cold smoking, so it's just smoke emanating, no heat. For the salt setup, you need a tinfoil lined pan, and I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. You can use kosher, anything a little bit coarse, larger than table salt. Line the pan with about an inch full of this stuff, and then simply close the chamber. On the other side, I'm throwing in 8 sticks of unsalted butter with an outside air temperature in the 40s and a shade here over my grill, and the grill itself not even turned on. There's virtually no concern about the butter melting. Pellet maize will have 8 hours or more of burn time, but I've found that butter is usually good to go around 5 hours. You don't want it to be too overpowered, just the right amount of smoke here. For the salt, it can take the duration of the maize. Go as long as you possibly can. Get that stuff super pungent. But every hour you're going to need to come out and stir it a little bit just to make sure all the granules are getting hit with smoke. When it's done, it'll have this nice amber color throughout, and then you know that you're good to go. Wrap the individual sticks of butter in parchment paper and stick it in the fridge. Funnel the salt into any kind of container you have laying around the house. Hopefully you have a shaker like I've got here, but now you've got your two stalwarts in hand. This cherry hickory smoked salt and this cherry hickory smoked butter. They are the secret weapons to the greatest smoked turkey of your life. With our special butter and salt in hand, we're now ready to look at the next step, learning how to make Gold Bark smoked turkey, which we'll do in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe the Rub Smoke Love channel. See you on the other side.